Hey, I'm still here, and I've got news. You mind if we just skip the intro on this one? This is going to be a quick one. I don't have a project to walk you through. I just want to go over, some stuff, kind of exciting news. So first things first, it's been a while since I made a YouTube video, and I'm sorry, okay? The whole family got sick, then we got better, went on vacation, and the whole family got sick again. And since we got back, it's been a lot of rushing around, a lot of house hunting, because I got a new job. In the arms of the angel. I'm now the Innovation Center technician at an independent school, which means that I'm the one responsible for keeping the 3D printers, the laser, the CNC, the plasma table up and running, keeping all those machines working at their peak, and making sure that when students come in, they leave with the same number of limbs and digits that they came in with.
The doctor said we could reattach it.
It's honestly a dream job. I spend my day just helping students make their weird ideas come to life. And by the way, if there are any students watching, not yours. Your idea's not weird.
It's everybody else.
And then when I'm not doing that, I just spend my time making things for teachers in other departments, or sometimes just making things for myself in order to master the equipment and present the image of an active workspace. That means that when I got frustrated that my slightly compact keyboard didn't have a dedicated delete key, I just made one. I made a giant-sized delete key that I could slam my entire fist down on, and it would count every time I did that, and utilized a really awesome house on fire icon from the Noun project. And when I made that, that was me working. I was doing work. I needed a nameplate for my desk so people knew that this was me sitting here. This is where I belong. And so I made this overcomplicated one that utilizes a 3D printed hinge and a laser cut acrylic top and nameplate, along with a resin printed Geek Squad badge. Represent. And inside I've got RGB lights and a wireless charger. It is way overkill. I used it as an exercise in learning to use Fusion 360, and that means when I was doing it, believe it or not, that was work. I also wanted to make sure that I really got the hang of using the brand new $11,000 high-speed camera in the lab. That meant days of snapping spaghetti, throwing a squash ball, and punching slime. And yep, that was also work. I also decided to remake the Moon City statue by Yuka Sapanen that I made on the third video I ever put out on this channel, and it was awesome. This time I decided to make it with an ESP8266 driving some RGB lights, and it looks incredible. Work. That was work.
And they pay you for that?
Yeah.
Now, the downside to the new job is, as of right now, it is a bit of a drive. It's over an hour each way, so it's dramatically cut down on my free time. Since I start at 8 o'clock in the morning every day, my bedtime has moved 4 hours earlier every single day. That's dramatic. Leaves very little time after the kids go to sleep for me to do anything before I have to go to sleep. So video output has suffered. Now the upshot is my wife and I are closing on a house in a couple of weeks that is 7 minutes from my work. So that's going to help a lot. I've also decided that I'm going to start documenting the things that I'm making at work because I thought about it, and I have a YouTube channel where I make things, and I have a job where I make things. So
it fits like a glove, Captain.
All right, that's it for me. You might be able to tell by the bags under my eyes, but it is far past my bedtime, and I'm going to go collapse. So, thanks for sticking around to the end. You are my favorite viewer of all time. Until next time, bye. Kind of a little quick video. I'm gonna get this. Really warm in here. Kind of hot in these rhinos.